The first person to kickflip the small board wins $100.
It's impossible.
Hey Nigel, no one in the audience knows that Aaron is right below you right now.
Alright guys, we are super excited to be here outside of the Braille house today with one fine Suzy walker. Oh, okay guys, so we put this on our Instagram and we asked you which boards should we ride? And you gave us a plethora of fine choices. Let's see what our contestants are about to deal with here.
Hey Aaron, why are we outside the Braille house?
The Braille house flooded, we will be outside. Okay, so the first one's first. We have a clipboard skateboard. Nobody can kickflip this, I'm pretty sure that's impossible. Then, first Troy. Nobody can kickflip that, I'm pretty sure that's impossible.
Can you hold that pose and give me a battle cry?
Then we have a normal skateboard. This is my board. Nobody can kickflip that, I'm pretty sure that's impossible. And then we have this.
Yeah.
No comment. Then we have this, and all of our contestants today will be wearing size 23 Air Max Audacities, which is, there you go. It's just as big as that board. Sorry. Okay, let's rush them both and see who goes first. Shush airplane. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth.
I'll go last.
Sixth. Is that what he's doing? He's gonna put his shoes in the shoes.
Oh, that's like
that's cheating.
A half of board feel.
Shoe inception. That might be the way to go. Are we gonna use those two, Gabe?
No, those are too small.
Those are too small.
Those are
These are
cheaters.
the only two big ones.
We'll just
You can't use those, Dan. They're too
at a
small.
time.
We literally said, can we use those? No, they're too small. And then Dan tries to grab one.
I got.
Look at that. You think that's possible?
Dude, that looks so.
I think it's going to be easier.
Oh, he's gonna start right now?
Yeah.
You're gonna start on this one.
Yeah, it's the easiest one, hopefully.
Start the hardest one. Go ahead.
On pop, right?
On pop.
Oh my god.
At least you can't feel primo.
I can't feel anything.
Really?
Like I'm on my toes inside of here.
Dude! I'm pretty sure this one is really impossible.
No.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
There you go, boy. Okay, so you're going with a smaller version.
Whoa.
It's like the no flip.
Did you do it?
No.
How was that?
That was sick. There you go.
2 minutes in. Oh! I'm
I think that's
gonna
good.
count that. It's a good thing I didn't go first because Gabe doesn't count anything.
True.
Oh! Count that?
Really?
Yeah.
I don't even think Nigel counted that.
What's my time at?
250.
Nobody that watches these videos understands how hard this is. Except for that one guy in Nebraska. He understands.
Let me try one of these on.
You thought for real we were gonna kickflip that?
Yeah.
You thought that was possible?
No, it's not. It's 100% not. Aaron, I don't care if you're the king of kickflip. You're not doing this.
Not even on regular
no
shoes.
way.
It's got a cool graphic though, it really does.
I got at least get an attempt
This
on
one
all
I
of
feel
them.
is possible.
Very, very difficult.
Oh! See, I'm telling you, that's possible.
Yeah. 10 seconds? Well, I did too.
So are the shoes too tough?
Yes, it's impossible.
The first person to kickflip the small board wins $100.
Well, then I should have left that shoe on.
Well,
The birth of a shoe. Oh yeah, it's much easier.
What, you can't do it
my
in the big
goodness.
shoes? You cheating.
Put on the...
How am I
Wait,
cheating?
you are?
What did I do that was
All right,
cheating?
Glow, you're up.
That thing
What
with
do I
big
do?
shoes?
You're gonna kickflip it with big shoes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start
Promise.
off with the
Yeah.
easy board.
I'll give you $100 if you kickflip that with big shoes while your run's going. What kind of shake is that? You're grabbing my fingers, like.
That's what he does.
It's a man shake.
Man shake. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. There we go. Oh yeah,
Nice to meet
baby.
you.
Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh no, he's transferring his powers. I don't know what's happening. Oh brother, I'm losing it. I'm losing it.
Dan, get out of here. It's not your
Oh, it's
turn.
not even your turn.
Glow, it's you. Oh! Wow!
Dang, you got that though.
Yo.
Yep, count it. Count it. He's riding away.
Good.
It's the same thing as that?
Just bigger, heavier.
You really kickflip this?
No, I
Oh,
didn't.
oh, you did it?
No, I tried like 5 times to stop. I did. I flipped it over and landed.
I mean, I would count it.
Oh, how are you doing that? That's sick.
Straight down flick. Never do that at home, kid.
It is straight down. You got it. He caught it. Come on, right here. For Gabe.
Oh! We're good! Keep going.
This thing-
Dude, for real, that's powerful.
Whoa!
If you dolphin flip it, we'll count it as 2 boards. Oh, you got that.
You gotta just get a good pop. That's the secret.
That's a secret?
Skate support.
I don't know where to flick it. It's impossible.
Try this one while you still got time.
Alright. One more. Impossible.
Go back.
Uzi, if you do this, that's a
That
nil.
one, I got that one.
No way.
No, right? No way.
My legs are done. My legs are complete done. It's done.
Is that time?
Good choice. Okay, so what did you do? 3
You
boards?
did 3.
3 boards so far. Glow boarder is in the lead. All right, Nelson. Nelson's been with us for a while. He's been doing lessons. I think this might be his first video. Maybe,
Yeah.
maybe not.
I'm excited.
You have 5 minutes to kickflip all 5 boards, and if you land it, you get $100. First try?
First
Whoa,
try.
this guy.
Yeah, man.
He's 4 seconds in. He's 1 board down. Let's go. I got my money on Nelson. I got my money on Glow.
That flash.
Yeah, boy, let's go.
There we go.
Up, skis, catch. 42 seconds in. 42 seconds in. This boy's a natural. Oh, for freaking real?
What?
Well, now we know what Nelson's been doing when we aren't here.
Okay, you got that. Wow. Damn. Even rolled away.
All right.
Okay, the small one, the small one. Let's go for daddies.
I would go for the other one.
He's got 3 minutes left.
I landed it. I landed it.
Judge!
Not possible.
Judge!
I looked away right when I don't know about that one.
Yeah.
Judge!
Yeah, rebate, but he's got it. He's got 3 minutes left. Look at the air pockets on top of those shoes. See, he's doing the right technique. I'm not gonna point it out because there's other contestants here, but he's doing it right. Look at that. Look at what he's got. Oh my God.
All right, there.
That was good. That was good. I think this one is literally impossible. Try the other side. Oh. That boy good. He's in the lead so far. So we got Nelson, followed by Glowboarder, followed by Nigel Jones. And next up, Uzi the walker.
All right then.
100 on this one, right, Nigel? 100.
The clipboard? Okay.
You said this one.
Yeah, you said this. You said the small one.
No, you pointed to the clipboard like, oh, I can do it.
All right.
My shoes off.
I wasn't trying to switch it. That's what he said.
Please land this, Dan. Please land this, Dan. $100.
I could use $100.
It was all just timing. You got the right timing.
Oh! Dude, yeah, it's like a vertical. Almost. All I gotta do is kickflip this thing. It's like I won.
Oh!
Did he do it?
Almost.
Does that count? I don't know.
Not for Nigel's 100, but for the challenge.
Doesn't matter. I gotta do it for this one.
He's got it. That's my boy Uzi. Dude. Can you just commit?
I'm coming.
Every time Aaron turns away.
Oh!
Does that count?
Hands though.
Hands.
You know hands?
Yeah. For Nigel's 100. No hands. Don't cheat. Oh! Stay on there, Uzi.
Ah. All right, here we go.
Uzi, you got this.
Focus. Ah!
Don't overthink.
Come on, Uzi, Uzi, Uzi!
What?
If you land it right here, I'll buy you a jacuzzi.
Okay. Oh!
Two tries.
Right here, Uzi. Give it everything you got. Land that!
How long do I got?
Last try.
So, Uzi's in last place.
I thought for real he was gonna do it. I thought he had it.
I don't think anyone's kickflipped that board, even without
That
shoes.
one?
Yeah, that's the.
Watch your father roll. So if I'm the judge and a contestant, I guess I judge my own kickflips. Dang it. You're the worst judge. I land perfect every try and he's like, nope, nope, doesn't count. Okay. Do I want to try and win? Or do I want to try and just prove a point? Gabe?
You want to win?
Okay, I want to win. Well, now that I'm the last contestant, I'll tell you guys the secret. Here's what he was doing that was different. You guys were setting it up where your foot was, so you were like trying to kickflip like that. He was kickflipping like that.
That's what I said at the very beginning
Like
of the
a
challenge.
regular kickflip on the shoe. I've never won one of these and I'm not trying to start right now. Ready? Don't hyperventilate. This is your own skateboard.
Oh! Redo, he touched. I'm kidding.
I want the Rocky soundtrack playing during my run.
I don't think we can use that.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh! Everything! There's no grip tape. There's no grip tape. They said it was impossible. 3 minutes left. And I agreed with them.
Double?
I literally broke my foot.
Whoa.
Count it?
You got it.
Don't fear the Reaper. Oh!
Hurry up!
Count it or no?
Is that the best idea for a video?
You got it, boy. You're good. Let's go. That was good. I gave it everything I had. I'm okay. I'm barely alive. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn how to ride a skateboard. It's going to be fun.